This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C nose strips. First, begin by thoroughly cleansing your face to remove any makeup, oil, or dirt. Next, make sure your nose is damp, but not soaking wet. This helps the strip adhere properly. Then, carefully open the individual nose strip package, being gentle to avoid any damage to the strip itself. This preparation ensures the best possible results for clear skin. Once your nose is prepared, carefully place the smooth side of the strip onto your nose, pressing down firmly to ensure it adheres well. Take a moment to smooth out any air bubbles, working from the center outwards, so the strip makes full contact with your skin. Allow the strip to dry and work its magic for the recommended 10 to 15 minutes, as indicated on the packaging. Do not exceed this time. After the recommended time, it's time for removal. Gently peel the strip off, starting from the edges and slowly working your way towards the center of your nose. If there's any residue left behind, simply rinse your nose with cool water. Finally, apply a soothing, non-comedogenic moisturizer to hydrate your skin and minimize any potential redness. This completes the process for a refreshed feel. For the best results, incorporate vitamin C nose strips into your routine 1 to 2 times per week. Regular use can help keep your pores clear and your skin looking fresh. Remember, the vitamin C in these strips also helps brighten your skin and can visibly reduce the appearance of pores over time. For more great tips and deals, check the description below. Also, if you love reading, you'll find a link there for the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.